Hi guys, it's Dark Forever, and today I'm gonna show you uh note block. Sorry, I forgot my train of thought. And today it's a note block. I can show you how to do one of them tutorial. Just comment down below and give me 20 likes if you want me to do another one. And this is Steven Universe Giant Woman. So I'm gonna play it one more time again for you guys. And it's Steven Universe Giant Woman. So that's Steven Universe Giant Woman. And this one, I'm barely working on it. This was a request by the Diamond Master. And here is Steven Universe, the theme I'm still working on. See, I will continue on this and I give you updates of this song. But give me 20 likes and I do another note block song. So thank you all watching this. See you all later. Bye.